And our experimental state chart diagrams for our automated jewel locker cum ATM system. The software we have used here is Star UML 2.5.1 version and state chart diagrams. In this, we will have the states of an object and the transitions between those states will be there in a state chart diagram, and it is expressed in a united modeling language that is called as UML language. Here we are going to define the evolution of behavior and object. There will be so many objects in a program. We are going to explain about the objects as a stage, and we are going to explain the transactions between the object. And these state diagrams can be useful in all forms of object-oriented programming. And it is a flow chart in which the initial stage is represented by a block dot, and the states will be surrounded by boxes, and the final state is again using a large black dot with a circle around it. Um, we are having our own state chart diagram for our system. You can see here the initial and final points with a circle around it. Our system is, since it is a joint holder account locker, the accessing of locker should be known to both the users. So what we are going to do is, if one is going to access the locker, the other should get a message alert from the server. After the permission from the other user only, the user is uh, given the access for the locker, and the user can open the locker, deposit the jewels, withdraw the jewels, and he can close the locker. These are the operations that the user can perform in his locker. And this is our state chart diagram. This is our initial point and final point. These are our states, and these are our transactions between the states. And insertion of card. He's going to use his card for his login into his account. Then after the verification, user 1 or user 2. Since it is a joint account, he has to select either one of these, and the message, if it in case it is going to be user 1, the message will be sent to the user 2. And after the reply message from the user 2 only, the access form will open. If user 2 acknowledges, the same here. If user 2 is going to is waiting to get access for the locker, the message will be sent to the user 1, and after the acknowledgement from the user 1 only, he can access the locker, and he can withdraw or deposit jewels, and he can access the locker, and that's it. And thus we have constructed our state chart diagrams for automated jewel locker cum ATM system. Thank you.